could be real. That's judging from the increase in trucking activity in recent months.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Everybody, it's going live for a little while. Looking at just oil, NQ, little bit of Bitcoin. I got Quantower up here to the left, and I have Tradeovate to the right. For you guys that are familiar with that, there's a sale on Apex and Bolonox. The 90% sales end in about an hour and a half, so I figured I'd go live for a little while and just look at the charts, maybe take some trades, and that's it. So I'll be checking the messages. We can get to them any second. Let's see. Everybody jumps on and asks questions. Have some patience, I'll get back to you. I don't have my stream set up properly, like where I could do Nighthawk and all that stuff. And yeah, anyway. All right, so just gonna hang out. Just watch the markets right now. Again, Bitcoin is right over here. I got the Phemex exchange. Let's do a test of trade out there. Nothing substantial, obviously. What is this? My margin's $1. So, all right. So I'm gonna minimize this. What's my liquidation point on this? 34,000. I think it's going down to 34,000 tonight. But to get into a chart, which I don't mind doing right now, trying to keep my eye on Bookmap. By the way, I have Bookmap over here too. Okay. That's for the MQ, and that's through, what's his name? Hold on a second. Thinking with Bookmap, because I have no idea how to set it up, to be honest. Alright, so let's keep this simple. Don't want too much clutter. This is the NASDAQ chart right now. Let's have a couple of EMAs. And vector candles and a volume profile right here. So right now it's trending down a little bit. Just looking for some micro scalps. I don't know if I'm gonna take any trades. Let's look at oil. Oil is very low volume. It opened up tonight right around the opening candle. Where's the opening candle? Template is daily open. Around 77.11. That's for the overnight session. Then it went all the way down to 76.50. That'd be a nice trade. Now it seems to be at this area right here. So I don't think we're gonna get much movement until Asian session, 1 a.m. Eastern time. NASDAQ, same thing. This is the 1 minute chart. I know it's a low time frame, but just bear with me. The open was somewhere around here. I'll fix it in a sec. Let me open. Rid of. All right, so the wick was here, the body was here, so let's say the daily open was right there. Okay, that's the overnight session. This is again at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And there was a red vector candle down. It's been chopping around a little bit. Let's see where we're at again. All right, I'm gonna throw on. I mean, it's real choppy. Look, not a lot of volume. So, honestly, this was a good move to get right here and right here. Now, it's about 10:30 a.m. p.m. Excuse me. So I don't predict much movement, but just want to jump on live for a little while and see if anybody's around. Let's see. Oh, nobody's around. It's okay. It's okay. So, oil and Q. Now let me do some support and resistance. Just levels, you know, supply, demand, support, resistance, accumulation, distribution. You know, depending on what strategies you use and follow. A lot of different names for the same stuff. That's it. A lot of these people are using all these strategies, and honestly, it's simple. It's going to go up or down or sideways, or these wicks are going to wick the shit out of you. Like, look at this wick right here, 15,328. Look at that. About 60 points on NASDAQ. It's nuts. So it wasn't fun trading. I mean, for scalpers, it was good. But it's been rough this week. A lot of people complaining. Some people are doing well, but the majority aren't. That's what I will say. It's facts. I did pretty well on most of my accounts. Not well. I did okay on my accounts, which I'll show you in a little bit. How do I get like YouTube on my iPad so I can? And again, I'm not a YouTuber. I am a trader. So if anyone complains that hey, you don't know how to respond to a question, dude, really? I said I'm a fucking trader, not a YouTuber. So I'm just trying to hang out, live stream a little bit. And I cannot find it. So you know what? I'm not even gonna use it. I'll pull up Discord on my iPad. I have some more screen space. Where's my... Hold on, let's go to what I'm trading. Alright, so oil. Yes. I think I was going to draw a level on Bitcoin. Yeah. So on Bitcoin, which I mean, this is a clear level right here, and you get another clear level right here. I mean, it wicked into that, but you know, this looks to be a notable area, I would say. Okay, is my fucking thing even working? Where's my Streamlabs? Oh, hello? This thing. Hello, hello. Okay, it's working. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So we just do this. See, oh, there you go. Okay, so I can pop it up every now and then. All right. I need like 10 screens, so 3 isn't enough. Anyway, all right. So Bitcoin right now is just chopping around a little bit. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Again, it's in this level right here. It's an accumulation or distribution zone, depending on which way it's going to go. Okay. Okay, in a 4 hour time frame. Notice this last vector candle that went up. It did retrace it. Okay. There's an oscillator down here. I have an ETR over here. Let's just get this correct. Where is it? ETR is average to range. It's per wick, per candlestick. How much is the average movement on each candlestick? Okay. So for example, on this green vector candle that went up, the average true range is about 440 bucks, and that's in a 4 hour. That's how you set your stop losses and whatnot, but I'm going to do other videos, educational videos and all that stuff. People that do follow my channel, but I'm going to stick to just scalping right now. I don't think many people are going to see this, so I'm just going to scalp live. See what I can get. Okay, the NQ seems like this is this yellow zone. I don't know what it's trying to do here because there's not much volume, so we don't know if it's pressing down into this. And now this is market liberator. A lot of people are familiar with this, but some people aren't. The indicator up top is just EMAs crossing over. When it turns red, I mean, obviously, what do you think I do? Look, you go short. When it goes green, blue, excuse me, you go long. When it's doing this stuff, it's top, and I stay out of that. Now, this is the value area high. This is the value area low. This is the point of control. This red line is the point of control. And let me get rid of this. Oh, we're dumping. We are dumping. Okay. So right here is the value area low, 15,360-ish, and 15,370. So it's a very tight range because it just opened up. Point of control is about 15,364. On oil, you could see the point of control is a red line, 77.04, and the value area low is where this gets shaded, okay, and then this gets shaded. That's the volume. Okay, so we're looking at a decent range there. So you get this red little money flow down here, and when that happens, it's a little bit of an edge. Okay, see when this turned red, it started coming down, and this one went green right here. This money flow, it started going up. And with Bitcoin, let's take a look at this. When this was at 35,400 and change, when these went red, this is the value. This is the point of control right here. This is the value area high. No, this value area high is like 35,400. But when these went red, this came down to what? 200 bucks, 150 bucks. And it's on a 1 minute chart. So if we zoom it out, okay, now let's get off this. I'm gonna go to, not this, forget that. Okay. All right, so this is trade of 8. Look how thin the volume is. I'm on a 30-second candle, but look at that wick. This is on the micro NQs, okay? And this is the actual NQ, but look at this wick. I mean, honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna stay on that long because I don't want to trade this crap. I'd rather trade the London session and just use like one of these and not show you guys everything, but I'm just trying to show everything just to help people out. But I don't seem to really get on the stream, and I didn't announce the stream, so yeah. I don't see much point of entertaining this much longer. If I can get some trades off. If you hear some noise in the background, that's Bookmap. Okay, now this is the 1 minute time frame on NQ. I'm not copy trading yet. This is my copy trading. This is my copy trading bots. I have my vals, Apex, Bullinox, and then I have my Top Step and Apex funded accounts here. I got a funded Bullinox, but I don't have it included in the bots. What else? What else? What else? That's it. It's gonna hang out for a while. Get some music. You guys want music? Nobody's even here. It's just me. I want music. Time it's 10:36 Eastern time. This is slow. I mean, normally here, this is trade of 8. This is the orders coming in. I mean, normally I have this set at like 10, and you'll get about blocks of 6 to 30 coming in. But the volume, total volume is only 17,000. Today it was 600,000. Oil, same thing. Look, that's a volume filter. I mean, look how dead this is right now. Oil may come down a little bit. What do I got here? This is one of my accounts. May come down. I'm not confident in anything it's gonna do. I may get back on at like 2 a.m. Maybe like 3 a.m. Eastern zone. Yeah, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. The London Open, excuse me. Plus, I'm a little tired right now, but I want to jump on. I hope this is working. Let's see. I think it looks like it's working. Looking at the stream. Okay. I do have a Squawk Box up via Trade Day. This is a company, a platform I use, so they give you live news. Okay. So fucking dead. Let's look at the news. What do we got going on? I'm not a news guy. I trade off the charts, but let's just see what market watch. We'll look at crypto news and the regular news. BOJ may tweak monetary easing. Democrat, blah blah, politics. I hate politics. Nintendo is making a live action. Nintendo is making a live action Legend of Zelda film. Like, that's fucking cool. And then right after that, war. Living in crazy times. Why did oil price drop? Let's see what the news is telling us, and let's see how it correlates to the charts. Is it oil chart? It's the news. Let's see what we got. U.S. oil prices settle below 80 a barrel as China data spotlight demands prospects. 5 potential takeover targets in the oil industry following deals by ExxonMobil and Chevron. What happened to solar stocks? They took a fucking beating. So S&P and NASDAQ are going to record longest winning streaks. I think they're going to really run up and then just slam down. I mean, they're rallying on an economy, and that's just not good. The inflation's horrible here. But you know what? They're probably going to do the central bank digital currency and do the reset, and then we find it dandy. But I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. All right, let's look at the crypto news. Look how flat this is. The NQ. Look, 1 point is $20 that you make profit. It's like stuck. The market's fucking frozen right now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get back on later. Let's see, crypto potato. It's pretty good. What do you call it? Crypto news site. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got at margin trading. Guides. Yes, selling off a little bit. Sam Bankman-Fried, the schmuck, was fucking found guilty. Sorry for language. Was found guilty. He's going to jail for like 335 years. Probably get out in 10. I think his sentencing is seriously about over 100 years. I don't know. That's what they'll probably get a knockdown, but he's done. Anything good here? What's going on? Crypto. I used to be really into crypto. Just want to buy it when it's low and sell when it's high now. That's really it. Not really feeling it. Just sticking with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Keep my eye on some big alts. But yeah, not gonna mess with this. Okay. And let's look at Twitter. Let's see what's going on here. You guys can follow me on Twitter. Where's my fucking Twitter? It's Future Trader 101 at Funded Traders. I'm gonna be changing all this stuff. I'm gonna be going to I'm launching a new brand. But I'm gonna keep the same accounts to change the names, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's see. Let's go to most recent news. Today was rough on the gig side of the economy. This guy's pretty good, Dan Emmons. He's a good trader, very smart. Sex workers and delivery drivers, only jobs left. Oh, this guy's awesome. Yeah. She would have to have a. What the fuck is this? Hold on a second. She would have had to work for nearly 24 hours on her teaching salary to make the same amount of money she has made from OnlyFans in less than 6 months. 24 years. What the fuck? Yo. Former teacher said she's made 1 million. Oh my god. Not gonna lie. I should have done this instead. This dude's funny, man. OnlyFans. Yep, this world is doomed. Going on my computer. It's tweaking. I have some tweakage. Stop making noise, man. Oh, that's why. Okay. Finally, now it just loaded up my iPad now. Jesus. Alright, so now at least when we put some message, I could see it, and I could actually use my computer to trade and go through stuff. Alright, so I'm not gonna go through Twitter. Fuck that. Alright, let's go to NASDAQ. Went down a little bit. Open a little bit. What's going on? Ooh, it's flushing down. Well, not flushing down. For this time of the day, it's flushing down. Alright, I got my volume off. Let me just see something. I'm back. Alright, so market's dead, slow as shit. Apex and Bullinox and Top Step and Trade Day are good prop firms that I use. I'm an affiliate for all of them, and I trade funded accounts and valuation accounts. I picked up a bunch of them, and honestly, I should be in a short right now, taking my profits, but I'm not. How do people fucking stream and trade? You know what it is? If I was just trading one account, then I think it'd be much easier. But the fact that I have about 12 accounts spread across 4 prop firms, and I'm trading on multiple platforms, even though I copy trade on Quantower, I still have trade evade, 2 separate trade evades. It's gonna be 3 accounts. So I got about 7 accounts here, and across trade evade, I got about 3 or 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 accounts, about 2 accounts per trade evade. Anyway, that's a me problem. All right, as they would say. See, and look at Discord, see if anyone's there. No one's watching me on the stream, it's okay. Alright, I won't cry. Go to... You know who's the Discord's really busy? You want to just have people to talk to and trade futures? Top Step, their indices trading floor is swamped. What? Sorry for the fucking phones. Oh, it's flushing down now. What's going on? What's going on? And I'm missing the move. God dang it. Wow, let me show you one thing here. Alright. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Do some levels. Okay. I did an open level and it didn't show. Alright, so here, it opened here. And just do it again. Really open. Make it global. Because I use TradingView people. Sync globally. Now I have a daily open, so I can look at this chart across all my other TradingView charts, 10,000 of them, and see when it opens. Okay, opening candle, meaning the overnight opening candle on NQ, which was right here. There was a red candle down. Why do I even have this level drawn? Actually, I'm not sure. I think it's because it's 15,250. That's a prominent level. Usually I have 25 to 50 bucks on futures and crypto, depending on what the asset is. I put my support lines. Curious, I drew levels though. What happened? I drew on this. Oh, I drew on this. So yeah, I drew this liquidity zone right here. Support, resistance, support. I mean, if you really think about it, looks like it should really be down here. I mean, look at all this dead space. Yeah. Today was a P-shaped profile day, kind of. I mean, it had a little bit of action here, but primarily value from 10 o'clock till now, 10 a.m. Eastern time now, was up top. I think it's going to come right back here. It's going to come right down to 15,300. So blow past this, maybe bounce off this, like, yeah, what do I do here? Like this, and then that. Maybe even with some sound effects too. And it's like this is the telling point. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna come back up, bang, and then, or you know, what's the rest of the week gonna do? Because that's Wednesday, and I think it's gonna top out Wednesday and then come down by Friday. You know, I think realistically, that makes sense. Usually moves the first couple days go one way and then they go the opposite day. And Maybe even getting a low by about. Back. Trying to get some space here. I think it'll hit that Friday. Makes perfect sense. Gets a little liquidity. If I was a market maker, it's what I would do. You know? But maybe have a steeper drop here and then up, down, you know? But there's a lot of squiggly lines on our chart. Just me speculating. We're all speculators, right? I'm kind of pissed off. I missed my entry. Now it's 11 o'clock almost. And Bitcoin's not doing poop. Oil's not doing poop. And NQ's not doing poop. So that's really kind of boring, to be honest. I'm trying to bore you guys, but there's nobody even watching really, so I delete the stream. What would you guys do? Long or short? Let's say something in the chat. Apex and Bullinox 90% sale. I'm trying to type this. Apex and Bullinox. That did not spell Bullinox. It's Bullinox. What the fuck is that? Apex and Bullinox. 90% sale ends in, we got here 60 minutes, 70 minutes. See my link in description. I really appreciate anyone that signs up using it. It really does help me support the channel so I can make some content. And I'm going to start doing more shorts and whatnot and making more content. Building out a website to give free education to all traders, no charge whatsoever. I have a free Discord and I have a Telegram chat as well. I'm just trying to see, you know, once I have more followers and whatnot, what to use. So everything's free, and the website I'm going to build and give out information for free. The only income I get is from affiliate links, and it's not that much, to be honest. It's just a little bit, enough to be able to doing YouTube as a hobby. I want to grow and be able to do more education as what I know and what I wish I knew before I started trading. So it's gonna be catering to newer traders, not guys that have been doing this 5-6 years. You know, they're not gonna need to watch me trade. This is to bring new people in, help save them time and money, which see my link. Save them time and money, okay? And I'll probably get better at being a YouTuber as well. What else? All right, so what we're looking at is this is NQ and this is oil. This is the tape. This is the order book basically. So you'll see the green, these are buys. And these are usually, why is that green like that? So 19 sells. Usually if it's green, these are buy orders, and if it's red, it's sell orders. That one confused. Okay, so 19 sell buys at 18354. So again, the market's dead right now. This is trade rate. That's a 30-second chart on NQ. Let's just go to NQ. Okay, I have the micro and the minis side by side. There's a volume profile. There's a very short time frame. This is for scalping only. Usually I do like a 1 minute, and then I do like 15-second, and then on trading view I'll have like a 5 minute on the side here. And I'll show you in a second. Check it out. Like a 4 minute, 6 minute, something here. So, and I'll have like this chart up here. Sometimes I'll even throw like the dollar. I'll do a side by side. Symbol, I'll do same interval. That, Y, and kind of just get a idea of what's going on. Dollar's trending up a little bit. I don't really use trend lines, but I'm trying to use that for a reference point. So look, the dollar's going up and NQ's going down. Not that complicated, right? Look, the correlation, this is a 1 minute chart on a dollar. This is a 1 minute chart on NASDAQ. Check it out. So when this was going chopping and then it went up, look at the dollar. Let me just correlate it. Let me give you a little bit of a better viewpoint. So when the dollar went down, look at this. Look at the correlation. NASDAQ went up. See now, see this right there? See that dotted line? So it went up right here. NASDAQ at 15,375. Dollar came down to 105. What's happening now? Dollar's pumping and then Q is dumping. Now we're approaching the 11 o'clock candle, 11 o'clock Eastern Time PM. So Asia's starting to pick up a little bit. But they do go to lunch and it dies down. I think NQ is going to come down to 11,300 eventually. You know, I think it's going to tap this box right here. I'm not even trading at this point. I'm just doing analysis, really. Just too many things to do at once. There's a pretty big candle coming down, engulfing candle, 1 hour. I don't think it's going to come straight down. I think it'll come down, you know, come up a little bit here, work its way down. See what the oscillators are saying. So we have not much from the oscillator, to be honest. Let's say 30 minutes. Yeah, I think it's going to tap 15,325. And then mess around here for a little while and maybe get down here. I mean, it pumped a lot. So needs liquidity to make bigger moves. Can't just keep pumping forever. Gotta grab liquidity to keep going back up. I mean, at least if it comes down like can't talk. Like when it popped up yesterday, it went up to 15,257. This is Monday, right? Then it dumped. 15,136. That's 125 points. So 125 point dump. This went up from 15,188 to 15,375. That's 200 points, a little more than 200 points. It's reasonable to say that it would come down 100 points. It was at 15,400 and change, about 15,300 and change. You know, so that's what I'm thinking. With oil, it dumped a lot. The next real big support would be 75 bucks. You know, let's get rid of some of these indicators. A little much right now. Sorry about that. I don't know why these lines are on my chart, to be honest. It's just this one chart out of all the charts. So let's do that chart. And let's look at oil. Hour. Hasn't been down as low for a while, but check it out. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. So let me just do a 4-hour chart, 12-hour chart. If easier. Check it out. So obviously support back here over in Wednesday, August 23rd. It's tapping 77. But look at the candle that came down. Strength of these candles. Usually things move down in waves of 3. So this looks like 1, just chop, 2, chop, 3. I mean, there's a gap right here that was filled, but doesn't mean because it was filled once. What anybody says. No rules. It's my channel. Why can't it come back down to 75? At that level, of course. Okay. And we'll forget that chart. That's gross. Yeah. Disregard, make believe you never saw that chart. Alright. Am I done? I'm done. Just gonna hang out. Next time I have some music. Probably do London session. And I think I'm just gonna do Trade Evade or Bullinox, and I'm gonna keep my other one off screen because I don't want to have like 700 things going on. Also, too, I'm tired. I traded today, like for 6 hours, and I just want to go to sleep, to be honest. Alright, we're getting a little 11 o'clock pump for the hour candle watch. Oh, I'm telling you to watch, and I don't even have the chart. Check this candle out. So the 1 hour candle, don't mind all these lines, just on that line side view. Alright, so this is a pretty big engulfing candle down. This is the 50% line right here of this upward candle. We're pretty close to that, so I think to get a full, I think a full retrace this candle is great because that's a fair value gap. I can't talk. That's a pretty nice fair value gap right there. A lot of value there because look, there's been nothing for weeks. Okay, but there's some support. And look, we have some higher levels to the left here. So, like I said, 15,315. Look at that, genius. So I'm gonna make a way back up. You know, it's gonna chop around 1, 2, 3 down. It'll probably come up to like right here. I'm not really in the mood to take any trades. I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna get some rest, sleep, rejuvenate. Check this out. I could have been, if I was like not tired, I was trading in the morning. Would have caught this move, and that would be what? I don't know, 7 points. Probably do like 2, 3 contracts on, just smash it. I'm not a hypey trader with these crazy shorts yet. I'm gonna be doing those shorts. Full disclosure, I'm gonna be doing them. I'm gonna do those shorts with the fucking me staring up at the chart and then a P&L statement. But it's gonna be real. And that's gonna be it basically. Oh, my phone's on. Oh. Get messaged. So let's just take a trade while I'm on stream. Why not? Look at this messy chart. This market's really dead. I mean, it's just 15,350. I think it's gonna go down to 15,300. Probably chop up a little, make its way down, and then once if it taps 300, it's gonna go back up. I think ultimately this week it hits 15.5, and then or 15.4 at least, and then makes its way down. No, it hit 15.4 already. Excuse me. 15.5 makes its way down to then it just comes down and just retraces the whole move and goes down below that. It's like 15,000. You know, I mean, where are we at? It's the week. Where is this? Monday. Yeah. So what was the low? Yeah, I think it comes down. I think it hits 15.5. You know, grabs much liquidity. I'm bringing the chart up. That's cleaner. I'm bringing the cleaner chart up. I think these charts are clean. Sorry. But finish it. I think this is my prediction or my analysis based on what I see. Okay. We had a nice move up. So this was what, Monday, so it starts Sunday, market opens Sunday. So we were moving up last week, straight line up, almost, like literally, look at this. So how many points is that? That is 14.3. So we got 1,000-point move up, guys. Really, look at this. This hasn't happened in a while. I mean, it chopped up. Look at this. This went straight up, literally. So I think it's reasonable to say, why would it not come up here? Maybe up here, or realistically here. Okay, which is 1550, 15,550 to 15,500. Right, tap this. Okay, by Wednesday, it is Wednesday. Tap this or close to it, right? And then just work its way down and retrace some of its value. And then next week be bearish. But it is November, anything can happen. This thing can go right up to freaking the highs over here. So, but I think it'll come up and then come back down by Friday. But I could be totally wrong. It depends on what Powell says tomorrow. Let's be ready for that. Powell speaks, I think, at, let's see, I'll pull it up. Got Powell speaking Wednesday Eastern time at 9:15 a.m. So everybody be ready for that. And yeah, we have some other things going on too. I can't talk. I'm so tired of things. You have Member Cook speaking at 5:15 a.m. Listen, when they speak, go on YouTube and look for someone that's streaming. Stock Market Live, he's pretty good. He'll usually get them speaking, and you can hear what these members are saying, because when they say stuff, the market moves. And it's a little bit of an edge. It's why Squawk Box exists. If it wasn't an edge, Squawk Box would not exist. What is Squawk Box? Squawk Box is, this is trade day, this is a prop firm. These guys have been in the business for 30, 40 years. This comes when you're a funded trader or you're an evaluation trader with trade day. Squawk Box gives you the news 20 seconds before it comes out, okay? Not 20 seconds after. And that's 20 seconds before it comes out to the retail. The hedge funds probably still get it another minute before that. So it's a little bit of an edge. Little. When Powell speaks, that's going to be the biggest one. Then you have a 10-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. The bond auction today was, it had some impact on the market. Go back, look at 1 o'clock Eastern time and do some back testing to check. I'm not going to do it right now. Definitely not. I'm full asleep at my desk. Then you have some more FOMC members speaking. Honestly, these guys piss me off because they're just talking puppets, but unfortunately, they move the markets, and you got to respect that. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 speaking on the New York time. Well, he's speaking after the close at 4:45. You have 1, 2, 3. You got 3 guys speaking. Powell's the biggest one, and you got Williams and then Barr. You got a bond auction, and then you have Thursday unemployment claims at 8:30. Powell speaking again at 2 o'clock. This guy, he doesn't want to shut up. I'm just kidding. Another bond auction at 1 o'clock. So just be mindful of this stuff. And then what do you got Friday? Anything going on here? Anything crazy? Let's see. I don't know what the fuck what that noise was. Sorry about that. Got 9,000 things going on my computer. Come on, I'm trying to focus here. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Lagarde speaks, and Logan. Okay, so you got a European member speaking, and you got another FOMC member. How do you get these jobs? Seriously. And you got, sentiment, prelim consumer sentiment. That's going to be a big one. And it's a red folder. So, what else? So we got Wednesday. What day is this? Just so tired. It's Tuesday. We're going to Wednesday. So at 4:30 a.m., you get Bank of whatever the hell it is. I don't even know what bank this is. It's a red folder. It means something. Bank of England. Wow, that's how tired I am. All right. So if you click on this, go to Forex Factory. It's very helpful. That's it. I'm tuning out. Peace. Love y'all. I don't know how to get off this damn stream. Take care. See you tomorrow. See you London session probably, actually. I'm going to trade London session. I'm going to get some some trades in. I'm going to simplify this. This is a little too much going on right now. I'm going to have a book map up. Did I stop the stream? No, I didn't stop the stream. God, I am. I'm gonna be using Bookmap. I'm gonna put a link below for what's the guy's name? Think with Bookmap. His YouTube channel is really good because I'm looking at my stream. How delayed is this? Oh, I rewound it. Okay, so yeah, so if you can't get Bookmap, you don't know how to set it up and all that, and I'm lazy. I just went to his Discord and I log in, and there's really no time delay. Bookmap, just sure it's a heat map, and he has the NASDAQ and he has ES. You click here, look, think with Bookmap. All right, good resource to use. Helps you when there's actual liquidity. You could see these are the levels where there's buy order, sell orders, and buy orders. Green, red. Not gonna do a Bookmap tutorial. I just like to go off on tangents. That's a good name, Tangent Trader. Anyway, all right, guys, take care. Have a good night. I'm gonna get some sleep and set up for a London live stream where I'm just gonna focus strictly on trading, no charts. I'm not even gonna trade crypto. Let's look at my crypto trade real quick. So I did a mega size $1.43, a 25x leverage. I did a long. My entry price was at $35, $35,310. And my P&L, I'm down, let's see. I'm only down 1%. How is that possible? Oh, because it only went down to 35,291. I was looking at my liquidation price. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye, time to go to sleep. Ciao, ciao. See you guys tonight, or later in the afternoon of, actually, the morning of London.